Thank you so much. Standing here with Mr. Sharad Kumar, the director, the big man. You know, we've kept yours for later because we've been waiting so long to talk to you.
Director of CCL, yeah, tell me, yeah.
No, in this case, you're director of CCL, no? So that's the role that you have to take on today.
Really happy that this concept is becoming bigger and bigger by the day, and season 2 was really encouraging to all of us, and I should thank Vishnu for the basic concept that he gave us. Vishnu, Tirumala and Murthy, first of all, the other directors, and really interesting, and the crowd in Cochin is wow.
I mean, this venue has been quite mind-blowing. Did you expect it from Cochin? Because, you know, whenever you get new teams, there are always teething problems.
No, I think it is astounding and it's unbelievable. You know, like when we came in the afternoon, we were playing Bengal Tigers and Chennai Rhinos. The crowd was slowly swelling up, and then as evening came by, and there you see for yourself, even for an Indo-Pakistan match, you wouldn't have such a crowd.
I think what's been good for this league from a cricketing point of view is that it's nothing like last year in the sense that Mumbai on top, a new team like Bengal run, Kochi in a very good position right now, you know, so there's that little bit of competition that...
Totally balanced this year because you're bang on target on that because Mumbai they've got 3 points, Telugu Warriors have 3 points and Chennai Rhinos 2. This morning Bengal Tigers 2 points, Karnataka Bulldogs 2 points. If Kerala wins, they'll have 2 points, so then it's going to be on run rates. It's going to be a huge competition for number 1 spot, number 2 spot, number 3, number 4, and semi-finals will be, I don't know,
Just what you're dreaming of. You've been here from the start of the day, you know, you've been literally sweating it out. But what other responsibilities have you taken on being the director of this? I mean, what are some of the things that have been tough to tackle?
Yesterday we had the season 2 board meeting. We all, the franchisee owners, Ashok Kenny from Karnataka Bulldozers and Mr. Ganga Prasad, the Chennai Rhinos owner from GBR, and of course myself representing Red Arm. And of course all the directors, Thirumal, Murthy, and all of us sitting and discussing the season 3, how that is going to be. And we expect another 2 more teams to join us for season 3, and it's going to become bigger and bigger. We're really happy, and the initial investment, the risk that we have taken has paid, and we are happy, and all the franchisee owners and the basic investors should be really happy, and then of course the crowd, the people who really encouraged and supported us in the season 1 and season 2. Thanks to them first, because they have come here to watch, and this goes worldwide in all the channels that are there.
That's right, there's so many channels. Just watching this atmosphere, how come you're not on the cricket pitch? Why aren't you playing?
Well, this season I thought I'll take rest. I'll take a back seat in the background. I've got too many responsibilities, and I thought as CCL director I have my own thing to be impartial with all the teams.
Is that easy to do?
Yeah, it's not that easy. I do meet a lot of everybody here, keep them happy, and their problems, try to troubleshoot problems and whatever they have, and if at all there's any problem, and support them the way I should, and motivate every team here. Whenever I meet all the teams, I tell them, okay guys, you can do it, and keep the mood going, and that is what we want for this CCL game itself, totally. And what we are doing in this is actually we are promoting cricket, but cricket need not be promoted. Cricket is already there. But in future, maybe CCA will take up football or maybe hockey. You know, that will also, make the youngsters really play the game.
Well, that's very inspiring to hear. Thank you so much for taking out the time to talk to us.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
All right, as we get one more boundary over there, let's go back to commentary.
So, stroke of luck once again for the strikers. Bad bowling, bad keeping, bad cricket by Mumbai Heroes. Again, the ball not being controlled very well. Varun Badola's thought process is right. He's trying to swing the ball. The release was good, but the angle and the line was not right. Again, that ball swinging away. It could have been a good line for a right-hander. The same problem Ritesh is facing with the right-hander. Varun Badola is having with the left-hander. Raja Behrwani not finding it easy there. The ball not bouncing at all. So it's a tough day for wicket-keepers.
These deliveries on stumps would pose a problem for the batsman. But because it is down the leg side or away from the stumps, it's more of a headache for the wicket-keeper. So what can Mumbai Heroes do here to come back into the match? Primarily to take wickets, and that will happen only if they can stop the run flow. After 4.2 overs, Mumbai were in deep trouble. They've lost 2 wickets. The strikers have done well. They're 33 for none.
Varun, come on, ball! Line pe kar ball!
96 needed from 93 balls. Looks pretty easy if they keep the wickets in hand. The new ball bowlers have to create opportunities for spinners to thrive on. They need to pick up a couple of wickets and then the spinners can do their business. Janelia slightly quieter now, knows that the match hangs in balance now. And she must be tired as well, Sabha. She's been jumping up and down the last 2 hours. It's a phase in the game where both the teams are checking each other out. It's like the first round in a boxing match.
Come on, guys, come on!
Nobody wants to leave the guard open for that knockout punch. Sharad Kumar had a chat with Mayanti just now talking to Mohan Lal and probably thanking him for the kind of support Mohan Lal has brought in Cochin for CCL. It's unbelievable, the sight. The noise is overpowering. In the air, scooped up nicely. Doesn't have the legs to go to the boundary. Two wides already. 3 wides in this over already. So it's been a long over for Varun Badola. It took a while to start as well. So that is one thing all the teams will have to watch out for. In T20, you've got to stick to time schedule. They're taking too much time between the overs. Too much discussion going on. Crowd getting a bit restless. Better line, dot ball to end the over. 35 for no loss after 5. Yeah.